Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is my stock number G01062, a Boyar Schultz 612 Deluxe surface grinder with X-axis hydraulic power feed. The machine is wired for 3-phase, 220 volts. It comes with a Walker Ceramax 6-inch by 12-inch permanent magnetic chuck. It takes a 7-inch wheel with a 1 1/4-inch bore. It has a Boyar automatic oiler. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'll do a little manual grinding. And now I'll go ahead and do some automatic grinding. It just has power feed on the X-axis. You control the feed rate with this lever here. You speed it up by pushing it further to the right. Slow it down by going to the left. And all you have to do is just advance it with the Y-axis. You can set the stop so it only covers the width of your work. I guess I should have showed you, you disengage the X handle here so you don't whack yourself. And that's about it.